Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we discussed about find operators. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to discuss about the document replacement operator. The method that we use to replace the document is replace one. Replace one will fully replace the matching document with a new complete one. This can be useful when you want to do the dramatic schema migration. For example, suppose we are making a major changes in the user document. Suppose, let me take the one of the document using DB. Okay, let me switch to the employee database. We can switch the employee database using employee. Once you are in the employee database, now let's do the find method and let's type find. All right, we have one of the record and where we have the name is Ram, age is 35 and salary is 75,000. Suppose if at all I want to change all the details of the Ram, then what I can do is I can use the simply replace one. All right, now what I'm to do here, I want to change the name of the person to Ram. All right, now let's see how we can use a replace one to replace the name. Let's say we have the emp dot and what we have is replace one. And now when we use the replace one, we should have to take care of two things. First document we need to provide is the query, and second document we need to provide the what exactly we need to change. Now the query is, let me use the query something like name is Ram, means first is the where condition or the query condition. We need to first find out or filter the record. And now once we find this record and what exactly you want to change. For example, I want to change the name to Ram, something like this. But the problem with the replace one is as soon as if you hit enter, it will only take the Ram. And whereas we have the age and salary, the problem with this, it will actually removes the age and salary. So what I mean to say is that it will completely replace this record. Let's see this. If I hit enter and here we go, and we can see that we have inserted and we have the match and count 1 and modified count is 1. Let's see db.amp.find and we want to find name is Ram this time because we don't have the Ram. We just replaced it. Now press enter and here we go. Now you can see that previously this is what the object. We have successfully changed the name, but the problem is that it actually removes the age and salary. So that is what we need. One thing you need to notice when we have to use a replace one, it will replace completely that whatever the object we have find here. All right, now let me do the same operation here and I'll use the replace one. And the condition I want to look is the Ram, and let me use the age is 36. Let me change the to 36 and salary to 80,000. Okay, so now let's press enter and here you go. Now we got the changes. Let me clear my screen. And now let's see db.find db.emp.find for record Ram. Name is Ram. Okay, and here we go. This is what we have, and we changed all kind of details that we have here. And one thing you should be really careful is whenever you're trying to replace the record, you should make sure the record that we are extracting is unique. Otherwise, it will change all the records or you will get a syntax error. Since it is a find or replace one, you'll get a syntax error. So one of the easiest way or best way to extract the unique record is you need to filter or you need to find the condition based upon the ID. Okay, so next time whenever you want to change, we're going to use the object ID as the condition to filter the documents. Cool. So this is for the replacement one. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about the update operators. I'll see you on that. Until then, happy learning.